Elon Musk has just revealed his new hypersonic jet, and it is terrifying. This new jet has been making waves across the internet, and for good reason. In this video, we will look at Elon Musk's plans to enter aviation, including his idea for a new hypersonic jet. Will Elon Musk join the US military's hypersonic jet program? Are Elon Musk's plans for a hypersonic jet inspired by the SR-71 Blackbird? What does Elon Musk think about the future of military aircrafts? Stick around till the end, and we will tell you everything. Welcome to Elon Musk Videos. Here on YouTube, we upload videos about Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and more. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest Elon Musk videos. At present, there are many stories about Musk and his plans to revolutionize aviation as we know it. So let's look at what Musk could have in mind. Recently, Musk tweeted, "Working on Master Plan Part 3. He didn't reveal any more details, leaving us to speculate about what he could have in mind. Adam Jonas, a Morgan Stanley analyst and keen Elon Musk watcher, had an interesting interpretation of this tweet. He prepared a research note that stated, "In our view, the chance that Tesla does not ultimately offer products and services to the eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, UAM, urban air mobility market is remote. The potential skills, transferability, and network adjacencies are too strong to ignore." So it looks like Elon Musk has dropped a hint that he was thinking about an electric jet that could take off and land vertically. This was entirely possible since Tesla and SpaceX have the expertise and technology to pull this off. However, this isn't the first time Musk has brought up electric jets. Back in 2016, during a Hyperloop Q&A session, Musk stated, "Well, I've been thinking about the vertical takeoff and landing electric jet a bit more. I think I have something that might be close. I'm quite tempted to do something about it." So Elon Musk has been thinking about creating a jet that is capable of taking off and landing vertically for quite some time. But Elon Musk knows that there are challenges to this technology. In an episode of the Third Row Tesla podcast, Elon Musk had this to say about his plans to enter the aviation market. "No, I think it's incredibly difficult to bring an aircraft to production and meet all the regulatory requirements worldwide. It's a very difficult thing. It takes a massive amount of effort to do any one of these things, so you can't do them all." But later on, in 2020, Musk told the world that the battery technology required for an electric jet was only a few years away. In a tweet, he explained, 400 watt-hour per kilogram with high cycle life produced in volume, not just a lab, is not far, probably 3 to 4 years. A few months later, he again told everyone that he was interested in an electric supersonic jet. This time, he tweeted, "There should be a new supersonic jet, this time electric." The hype then reached a peak when the UK-based industrial designer Tom Abbott Davies presented a design for a potential Tesla jet. It had a futuristic design that was inspired by the manta ray. And then, in July 2021, Elon Musk tweeted, "I'm so dying to do a supersonic VTOL electric jet, but I already have way too much on my plate. Any more work and my brain will explode." So Musk's interest in the supersonic jet is real. Now, Part 3 of his master plan will include the supersonic jet. According to Musk, the jet will be powered by electric batteries rather than conventional fossil fuels. This jet will be capable of vertical liftoff and landings. The next step after the supersonic jet would be an aircraft capable of hypersonic speeds. We don't know how he juggles all these ideas in his mind. Maybe he has a secret Neuralink chip that's allowed him to unlock 100% of his mind. Next, we will look at why Elon Musk is interested in supersonic and hypersonic flight. Elon Musk has been a massive fan of the SR-71 Blackbird. The SR-71 is a long-range supersonic jet that is capable of Mach 3 speeds. Mach 3 is roughly 3,700 kilometers per hour. It was developed during the 1960s and used for strategic reconnaissance. Now, if you want to see how big a fan Elon Musk is, look no further than his son's name. In 2020, Musk and his partner Grimes had a son whom they named XAEA-12. So the kid's first name is X, and his middle name is AEA-12. The name is supposed to be pronounced as X-A12. Jokes aside, the name has a deeper meaning. Elon Musk's partner, Grimes, explained that the name A12 referred to the Lockheed Martin A12 spy plane. She revealed in a tweet, A12 equals precursor to SR-17, our favorite aircraft. No weapons, no defenses, just speed. Great in battle, but non-violent. The A-12 was the predecessor of the SR-71 Blackbird. Both Musk and Grimes are massive fans of the SR-71 Blackbird. To them, the idea of a jet having no military capabilities while being a great military asset was incredible. Let's now look at whether Elon Musk will join Project Mayhem. Now, to many of us, the first rule of Project Mayhem is you don't ask questions about Project Mayhem. The US Air Force follows a similar approach, and we don't know much about this secretive program, but we know that the US Air Force Project Mayhem is for the development of hypersonic capabilities. So this project focuses on the development of a hypersonic missile, but the research will provide the backing for the development of hypersonic aircraft for military and civilian use. So Elon Musk and SpaceX have a close relationship with the US military. SpaceX has received the clearance to work on classified projects. These include deliveries of payloads containing military satellites and launches for the United States Space Force. So it is possible that Elon Musk could collaborate with the US Air Force in developing hypersonic capabilities. At present, Project Mayhem is under the purview of the Air Force Research Laboratory, but this project has played a part in the development of the upcoming SR-72 that is being developed by Lockheed Martin. In addition, the US Air Force has been collaborating with new entrants into this field. It handed a $1.5 million research and development grant to the Hermes Corporation. The Hermes Corporation is actively testing a new jet engine design. So Elon Musk and his revolutionary ideas would definitely be an asset to the US Air Force. This is important at a time when Russia and China are showing off their hypersonic capabilities. China even launched a hypersonic missile that apparently went around the world. Though the rocket missed its mark, it clearly demonstrated the Chinese military capabilities. Elon Musk and his drive for innovation would definitely be a game changer against these challenges. But here is where things get a bit interesting. So Elon Musk feels that fighter jets are a thing of the past. During the Air Warfare Symposium, Elon Musk addressed a room full of US Air Force pilots. He told them, "The fighter jet era has passed. Drone warfare is where the future will be. It's not that I want the future to be, it's just this is what the future will be." So Musk feels that remotely controlled drones and not extremely expensive fighter jets are the future. In addition, Musk had a few things to say about Lockheed Martin's F-35 fighter jet. So he feels that the F-35 should have some competition. The American public has spent over $1 trillion on the development of this jet, and it was still facing issues and performing poorly during testing. So in terms of competition, here is what Musk had to say. The competitor should be a drone fighter plane that's remote controlled by a human, but with its maneuvers augmented by autonomy. He also tweeted, "The F-35 would have no chance against it." The US Air Force dismissed Musk's comments. Air Combat Command Chief General Mike Holmes said, "For a long time, we're still going to need the manned aircraft on the fighter and bomber side. We will increasingly be experimenting with other options, and we're going to work together." He gave Musk the benefit of the doubt that the entrepreneur's comments were about thinking about what comes next, dozens of years ahead, separate from the present battlefield landscape. And that's a wrap. So it seems that the stage is set for Elon Musk to get involved in developing hypersonic and supersonic technology for civilian and military uses. What do you think about Elon Musk's entry into aviation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos about Elon Musk.